Now we welcome the president on a kids map. Hello. On a map, welcome His Excellency the President.
The first gentleman of the Republic of Fellow at Upper Looking Town. That's the arrival of the first gentleman. That's the arrival of the first gentleman at Upper Looking Town. Happening now at
welcome the President. We must clap for His Excellency the President. As we reach. Welcome His Excellency the President. I see the President. Welcome today. Welcome, sir. We have the first lady again, welcome. So, hello. We're going to begin now.
Tomorrow, the Republic of Fellow,
Good morning. We want to begin this program with prayers. When I invite the pastor, okay, when I pray, God observe the Islamic prayers, Al-Fatiha. When I pray together, Al-Fatiha. The Lord's Prayer. Our Father, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever. Come with them. At the hand over the mic now to the Director General, where they're in charge of disaster management in the country, where they work with the National Disaster Management Agency, where now retired Lieutenant General Prime Assistant. Hello? The family on a morning. This morning, we get His Excellency the President, Brigadier General retired Dr. Julius Maada Bio, with him wife, Madam Fatima Bio. We are the first lady of this country. Now this community, the Looking Town community, for can sympathize with una for the trouble we be meet una. But before we start, we will call the chief in the area. Let can welcome the park quick traditionally. Chief, you are welcome.
I welcome us in Jesus' name. Amen. I God foresee that. Thank you, God bless you. This is a difficult opportunity for we to look at today. God don't see you. You know what they are going to win at this community. Papa, this Saturday night don't be Sunday. So it's Sunday in the morning. I'll be there now. I go call you. Hey, difficult accent you want prayer. Bye, visitor president. If not of this money, they will go to this community here. No trouble. 2 hours out of it, we can cover. We cover the people that are all over the inside. So youth mother, they be there from 7 o'clock in the morning when they begin dig down until they tell 8 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the day. Whoever they have to put them on the day. So if you do not come today, this property are going to run away now. Right now we don't get road now, Papa. You see, until you say we don't see. We got the way can I today, Papa. You don't see the problem. You are way big cause sick now for can't go no easy. This one we can't line down and stop. We will up yonder, nothing, road no day. So we do sufferness. Now we Papa, we don't come. Fear and this now we put up before you. For the help we, you are Papa government. We are doing. You can the suffer there. You are suffer we are doing. So, Daddy, I welcome you and the Jesus name. This is tradition business to go and tradition chief. But me boss what they are. Look at me, Chief Palma Kamala. Yes, sir, Chief. I gave me Imam. Look at the end, me pastor there. Youth man, leader of youth there. Ola come. Ola leader of youth there.
Where the woman leader then? The woman. The young girl, the young leader. One person. Only one person. Thank you very much, Chief. We appreciate that. Your Excellency, sir. We get a pastor. We see everything will happen. In fact, that a neighbor to the side where the incident happened, and it did extremely well that day. So we want to let it just make a short statement, Pastor.
Hallelujah. Want to tell Papa God thank you for this wonderful morning. It's a great opportunity and a great privilege for the people of Lukentown for let get His Excellency President Julius Maada. Let me put my hand together and let me clap for His Excellency. God bless you, sir. God bless you, sir. This incident will happen at Lukentown here. It happened on Sunday at the hour of 8:30 a.m. in the morning. The rain began to come heavily, breeze the blow. The place was so dark, and I've been privileged. Tell God pull me come inside, say can't team up na door. I team up na door. And they look far. All of a sudden, His Excellency, I see palm tree from up, and I see majestic tree, and I see the dirty goats right up there. Can rest on top of the people, the houses. 2 separate houses them. Dirty cover, and begin for run up and down in the community. And other people there with them in the other side themselves join me. We come on a door. All the youth men in the community, the entire community, His Excellency, move up that place there, and we ask for materials. Then put all the materials, shovel, or axe, cutlass, just for save the life of these 6 God in image, in people them, where puts up planet at His Excellency. A very disastrous, now pain to the people of this community, now cry to we that this community, His Excellency. And not easy for we that this community, His Excellency. We spent 3 hours, 3 good hours under the rain, with all the youth men for dig. When I call that small picking for me. This beginning also I show His Excellency. I want to beg your Lordship this morning, sir. Forgive me for making up bring this beginning and present unto you. This beginning also, nah. She's 6 years of age, His Excellency. Shake His Excellency. She's 6 years of age as they say, His Excellency. This beginning and his sister, then they side on for 3 hours with a dig, His Excellency. At the end of the day, with the community people, when we find the direction inside the day, and we get for pull this begin. And when we pull this begin here, so I want to show His Excellency that you look and see. Let everybody see how when I look the begin. And this begin, we took them going to hospital. Now look satellite clinic, His Excellency. Now paying for in this community. They inject the begin. And after the taste, so this beginning, there's no medication. Look at His Excellency. no medication you don't get. And after the talk so now, we get other 5 people that will die. Whereas at the talk to His Excellency, then transport them yesterday, they don't tell them about a tongue in the family in there. And then we get 19 survival people them within there. And we get 2 hospitalized people them within there right now, Ferry Junction or one private hospital. And His Excellency, after the talk so, we get 3 people that are always sick. Now, yesterday, we no sleep for giving people their medication, and they are now after the talk so to you, sir. The mother of this child now, well, they're all there under right now, His Excellency, sir. So, His Excellency, we want to tell Papa God thank you. Other communities, they look for this, they don't get them. But today, by the power of God, we're able to tell you that this community, we want to tell you thank you for the good work that you do. We want to say welcome to His Excellency. And with the plead, His Excellency, with the plead that this community, with the suffer for road, we don't get road that this community, with the suffer no good road. His Excellency, if you can't go for take the permission for what and for where go to that disaster, tears go run you, His Excellency. Then you witness no good road will not get His Excellency. We will go down on we need His Excellency. We will cry to you, His Excellency. Please let us help these devastated communities. Thank you very much, His Excellency.
Thank you very much, Pastor. At least you don't describe the situation to His Excellency the President. Honestly, His Excellency the President, just to add to that, that day on Sunday, in fact, the rain starts in the night, till Brooklyn and for the rest of the day. We get 18 areas inside Freetown will be affected by the floods. And this is one of them will have been landslide. Fortunately, as INSEF don't talk, the community been very, very useful as the initial responders, and they will save some lives. Rather unfortunately, one particular family lost 5 people, and the other family lost 1 picking. So now that happened, and 6 people that we get now, so we die. We get 1 we die in Mount Orel community, and the other one Blackwell Road. So in total, 8 fatalities we record for that day. We thank God that the other community where you get for go, almost all the houses in our town. But we thank God again, His Excellency, with your wisdom, where you create the National Disaster Management Agency, because we were able to come in handy and make sure we self-participate in the evacuation of the casualties, and we try for give some support to the immediate families. As I talked to yesterday, we provide ambulance and motorcar for carrying them 5 cops and go, now Tongo then come out, for them go lay them to rest. We do that yesterday. The immediate family, where they have 7 households they are affected, but now 2 families actually suffer the deaths. Yes, and then she don't chair she don't so. Probably after you don't make a short statement to this community, we will advise you just go and shake their hand and give them some support. Right now, we do a lot of assessments. We get 18 communities we suffer. Some of them big, some of them small. These are one of the smallest communities. So after we don't do all the assessments, His Excellency, we put together the required relief package for that we support. Just for make sure we deliver on the mandate way you give to the agency for manage disasters and emergencies in this country and develop the capacity of communities for them self-respond and to disasters effectively and efficiently if they occur in the communities. That is being done. We don't respond to series of disasters from when you create this agency when less than 2 years ago. A lot of communities, and we don't crisscross the one whole country from Mongo Bendugu na the north to Yeluboya na the south northwest to Mende Burama Mende na the east na Kono area to Boedu na the far east to Sullivan na the south and to series of areas again na the south where you go to Denzimi. We don't go now all inside and as for Freetown, His Excellency na yasu the issues, na the problems in there. So we don't respond to that, and we thank God in your wisdom when you create this agency. The agency don't be very useful. We visit this community every day, and when we can, we give the appropriate advices. We move the people away in danger, let them come out and inside and they first until this rains them cool down. Then we will see how we can take the process forward. So His Excellency, if you can here today, the people there, if His Excellency can here today, it comes for show to una say, na in na the daddy na this nation. The mommy na in na the mommy na this nation. Just like when anybody, when something will happen at your house, you the papa, now you get to take the leadership of that problem there. And they are showing us say from where that disaster starts, His Excellency was briefed virtually every 2-3 hours with the same updates to them. They are aware of which they happen. And the concern. For the Canadian community, it just qualify in concern for people and say, when I don't suffer, but when I not suffer alone, when I suffer with me, and it will take the appropriate action to make sure say it tell una us appropriately. So if it there this morning, now that make it can also. So we will now give the opportunity to His Excellency the President, let him make a short statement for address una, and then we will visit other communities within Freetown. Now the work done there the way he decide for good today. Thank you very much, sir. You are welcome, sir.
Looking time in the morning. Looking time in the morning. Unamo Osh.
Now listen.
Unamo Osh, yeah? I want to start by expressing my condolences to the bereaved family, and of course to una all as a community, because what happened, it happened directly to them on the day, but it happened to una all. And what make I take heart that the fact say we don't confirm that say the young man them, everybody as a community will not mobilize immediately and come to the aid of them people and they for try for save or salvage whatever they will be able at that time day. Now this we the advocate for us alone, for make we know say we own a family. We own a family. What it don't happen so it happened to them one day directly, but we are all affected. Today we don't gather and I don't make a kanaya for can't tell we are all us and tell them us, but we are all as a community and for make we know say we feel we are pain and that this way happen to una that to all and myself need for worker and come meet to our community instead of just call them one day and tell them us. Me your government you are the lead. Now for the people them. That big English when they say human capital development, it puts people there at the center of everything what they do. So any side, anything where they affect the people them, will they try for address them in the day. When we don't know say we na free to ya so na pahim we sit down. And of course we say not don't take care of how we they build and how we they do certain things then. So anytime when big rain come, it will affect we. I want to make una know say what's in happen here, not so we don't want this country, the world. Inside Pakistan today, over 1,000 people now they don't die. 1,000 people that they die because of water problem. Then your problem then flood. So from where water sit down, it not go safe. We on all don't disappear. You know, if it like say rain become that day. So all sides of the world get problem. We for take care of we own problem. Now that make government day. Now that make we set up this disaster management agency. Where day today, where from where that thing they happen, I call, it begin tell me it's a problem. Then I look in town. And the other side, everything will don't happen. We don't take stock of everything. And government will come in to provide the help when necessary, especially to the one they are so directly were affected and to the community in general. So I want to make una know, government get plenty. The load will carry a heavy, Not to say we know the Yeri they cry. Not to say we don't know say things they hard. But the things that we had in a salon, it harder pass other country pass what they happen there. Things that here in other country pass hard in here now. But we waiting me responsible for, waiting when I be vote for me for, and for take care of salon. So we will not talk about what they happen outside.
Yes, sir. Bye.
The young people, they won't see we don't gather now, so the young people, they plenty pass way.
Yes, exactly.
Now then, I mean, we make a talk say school business, technical and vocational training, or anything where they put ideas, knowledge, and skills that people they aid, so that themselves go able to map tomorrow. We don't come on here. So I want to make una patient. As a country, and they appeal to make people that understand what they do. If they don't understand, then go misinform. No country, nothing not they change overnight. Development not they come overnight. You get for plan, you get for spend the money. If when I been get money, when I don't make on a road before me they come.
Exactly. Yeah. Exactly.
Miss Usatima so. If I gather money, they say when I make all the road in this country. But for make the road them, we get for make sure say we plan and the money they not so. Not to mean